come to make you come along and take a stop. I come to make you really come and down and rock. I need to take a stock and do it right on, yeah. Say that's a musical rerun. But unless you are fair and you're faint and your favorite rumors that come in the land, I say the rumor shall go on, yeah. And then the other year a war in a Babylon, and then a lead against leader. God has spread fast rumor. So I say that King Selassie is dead, but then the fire good and red. Cause when Jaja come, I say it's really half a trick, and they was spread fast rumor. Some style read rock, I would say, so make you come and take a start. So I say the press must free and Babylon free. Say the press must free and then a Babylon free. That's a Rasta victory. Hiding all the truth and then they fighting the youth. Hiding all the truth and then they fighting the youth. But them can't stop Jaja work. Say them good and never stop your work. Cause what is to be must have to be. And soon you gotta see that Babylon never free. Cause the press must free. Cause Rastafari victory is our till it's over. Say another press must free. Sounds gonna rewrite, sound to make you really come and take a stock. Sound to make you really come and fight on the light and don't fight, yeah. You gotta come and join us, I like ya. Well, why you want to fight that I will do it right there. And Jaja surely will not do it at Donja. That she wanna sound out say. Wise men seek it knowledge, but most are fools for nothing but foolishness in this time I would say. But when I will tell you, say to wind up with a reasoning, I will tell you what a height and tradition. Don't want to tell you when we step it out of Babylon. Teach I don't put my father's land. No, I'm stepping out of what you got. So I'm way up in a mountain I would say. Sounds to make you come and down and feel so fine. To make you really got to rock your waistline. And you do what is your waistline. So you feel so fine, you know. Sounds to make you roll and then you never saw that and you know the war. The anti-so sounds gonna be rock. The sounds to make you come along and take a stop. I come to make you really come and down and rock. I need to take a stop and Rastafari victory is our team. Stepping out of what you got.